Shrimpy ambushed and killed by gunmen in St. James. Man killed in St. James after setting ablaze PNP campaign car. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 44-year-old Kenroy Dioman, otherwise called Shrimpy, of Africa in Lilliput, St. James, was shot and killed by unknown assailants in his community on Thursday. The police stated that about 9:05 p.m., Dioman was walking along the roadway when armed men ambushed him. The men opened gunfire, hitting him multiple times before escaping. He was pronounced dead at hospital. The St. James police are investigating the murder of a man in Lilliput hours after he had set a PNP campaign car on fire. The police stated that the man who was killed had lit the car on fire after his request for cigarettes was not met. The car was being used by the PNP's team for candidate Jason Cummings. Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers stated that there is nothing at the time to suggest that the incidents are linked or were politically motivated.